I've known that Kensa have been about for around about 13 years. I know they've been in existence a lot longer than that, but that's when I first come across them. I actually worked for a competitor back then, and we've always had a mutual respect, and I like what they do. I've been working with heat pumps now for about 20 years, mainly air source heat pumps. The last 15 I'd say is ground source as well, and I think Infinity Energy and Kensa are a really good partnership, yeah. My first experience working with Kensa was absolutely seamless. So the backup and support was superb. Every time I needed an answer, I just picked up the phone. If somebody was busy, they'd get back to me within the hour, and it was just fantastic. We've had site visits, we've done pre-install site visits, hand-holding along the way, and even help with commissioning. The way I would rate Kensa's products, I think first and foremost, they're the simplicity of them. They're easy to install, they're easy to set up, and they work. So the chances of getting failures or callbacks are minimised. We put ground source heat pumps into any property that's suitable. Typically we're looking for properties that have enough land. If we're going for like slinkies, you need roughly 3 times the amount of ground area as the floor area you're trying to heat. There is another option for boreholes, and one of my personal favourites are lake collectors and open water source. The market in the future, I think, with ground source heat pumps for us and Kensa is quite exciting, very exciting. I think the communal district heating systems is going to be a must, because that shares the load across multiple houses with one big giant collector, and I think that's going to stop running costs and backup and support needs. I really do think it's the way forwards. The advice I'd give to anyone starting out work with heat pumps is do your homework, get on the telephones, go out and meet manufacturers, meet other installers. You know, it's not a taboo subject, and people like myself are always happy to help. I will endorse Kensa 100%, you know, and yeah, absolutely good. It's an open market. So when I'm talking to customers, they do come up with some common myths and misconceptions. The biggest one that people always say is, oh, they don't work, I'm not going to have enough hot water, I'm not going to have enough heating. This is always down to design, it's proper planning, you know, it prevents poor performance. So you get in there, you do your heat losses, you do your sizes, you do all your calculations, you explain the technology, and then fit it well. Once you commission it, you end up gaining friends. So yeah, it's really good.
I was a plumbing and heating, a one-man band. Back then we fitted a Kensa unit on an umbrella scheme, and then since then it gave us the confidence to go and get our own MCS, our own qualifications, and the company now has grown to 7 times that size, and we've got offices, units, and we're fitting all around Somerset now, heat pumps. So yeah, Kensa are brilliant with their support, like technical support. But one of the big differences Kensa with any other manufacturer is their sales leads. The qualified sales leads we get are exceptionally good, which takes a lot of stress from us. The biggest thing is how they work, you know, how this box creates heat. And the biggest thing with ground source is they think that the actual heating temperature is coming from the ground. I really like ground source. I think it's brilliant technology. Yeah, the company's evolved since that first tube box install. We now do every technology in the property now. So we do solar, we do battery, we do EV chargers, and we try and integrate all the technologies together.